Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn how to play Save Tonight by Eagle Eye Cherry. First of all, let me tell you that for this song, you only need 4 very easy chords. They are A minor, F, C and G. Now, let me show the chord shapes, and of course, if you already know them, simply skip this part. So we have A minor, F, C and G. Let's start working on the strumming patterns. In this ukulele tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you the entire song. And even though this song uses one chord progression all the time, you're still gonna be looking at more than one strumming pattern. The main strumming pattern of the song goes like this: 3, 4. Again, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Let's do it one more time. 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. You really want to make sure you get this down properly because this is key for the song. This is the chord progression that you're gonna be following for the entire song. Each chord will last for 2 beats, so you play 2 chords within one strumming pattern. By the way, you actually play F and G a little bit before the 3rd beat, but you don't have to worry about this. Anyway, let me play it for you. 3, 4, A minor, F, C, G. By the way, this is a very common chord progression that you can find in many other songs. Having said that, let's follow the chord progression using the strumming pattern you just learned. 3, 4, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, and G, A minor, F, C, and G, A minor, F, C, and G. Okay, so theoretically you could be playing this strumming pattern all the time, but it would be really boring. One way to make this more interesting is this: 3, 4. Basically, I'm playing the same strumming pattern, but all I'm doing is adding palm muting. To add palm muting, you're going to rest the palm of your hand just above the bridge. Of course, the more you press, the less sound you get. The less you press, the more sound you get. For Save Tonight, you don't want to mute the sound totally. You want something in between, like this. One thing that you could do is to use this strumming pattern for the verse and the one that I showed you before for the intro. Now, let's follow the chord progression using this new strumming pattern. 3, 4, A minor, F, C, and G. A minor, F, C, and G. Again, A minor, F, C, and G. A minor, F, C, and G. Time for the chorus. Let's learn a different strumming pattern so that you can highlight the something is changing in the song. The strumming pattern for the chorus goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, down. One more time: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Like before, each chord will last for 2 beats, so you play 2 chords within one strumming pattern. Let me play it for you. 3, 4, A minor, F, C, G. Now let's follow the chord progression using this strumming pattern. 3, 4, A minor, F, C, and G. 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 A very important thing to do for this song is to work on dynamics. What I mean by that is that you don't want to be playing at the same volume for the entire song. So listen to the original recording and work out when to play quieter and when to play louder. In general, We are gonna be playing quieter for the verses and louder for the choruses. Before we end this tutorial, let me tell you one more thing. As the chords for this song are really easy, you could even arpeggiate them. And this is what I mean. A minor, F, C, and G. The finger picking pattern for this is really simple. All I'm doing is P, I, M, A. These letters, P, I, M, A, they come from Italian. So P is the thumb, I is the index, M is the middle finger, and A is the ring finger. I'm completing one finger picking pattern per chord, like this. P, I, M, A, P, I, M, A, and so on and so on. By the way, if you're totally new with fingerstyle, check out this tutorial where I explain all the fundamentals of this technique. Let me play this following the chord progression. You will also have the tab on the screen to help you. 3, 4, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, and G, A minor, F, C, and G, A minor, F, C, and G. Now let's have a play along. I'm gonna be playing intro, verse, chorus, and the arpeggio part. Then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of Save Tonight. For the verse, I'm gonna be playing the strumming pattern with the palm muting. And for the arpeggio part, just imagine it's a kind of bridge section. Having said that, get ready. You're about to start playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of Save Tonight by Eagle Eye Cherry, so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page, you can find the chord chart, the tab, and the backing track that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower, and another one even slower. And don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn Save Tonight. And by the way, if you want to take your playing to the next level, check out the links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!